Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready and start. This appeal is preferred against the judgment of the Central Administrative Tribunal, Principal Bench, New Delhi, quashing of the charges charge hyphen sheet close framed on February 7, 1991 against the respondent full stop. The respondent is a member of the Indian Revenue Service IRS and is presently working as Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax full stop. On February 7, 1991, a memorandum of charges was issued to him accompanied by a statement of imputations of misconduct or misbehavior in support of article of charges framed against him full stop. The articles of charges are the following full stop stanza. They said Shri Upender Singh, while posted as Inspecting Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, BSD North Range, Bombay during the financial year 1986-87 got a survey under Section 133A of Income Tax Act, 1961 conducted in the case of Raghuvanshi Group of Builders on January 9, 1987. Full stop. During the course of this survey, incriminating documents and a confessional statement of the assessees showing unaccounted receipts of rupees 1.56 crores and admitted unaccounted incomes of rupees 46.60 lakhs earned by four firms of this group full stop. During the aforementioned proceedings under Section 144A, the said Shri Upender Singh neither examined the incriminating documents and evidence collected during the survey nor passed any orders under Section 144A, in spite of being aware of the evidence gathered during the survey, full stop stanza. The said Shri Upender Singh during the aforementioned proceedings under Section 144A improperly and illegally agree in the assessee's offer to disclose only an amount of rupees 11 lakh in the names of the aforesaid firms and did not direct the assessing officer to bring to tax the full amount of undisclosed incomes of these firms as admitted during the survey on January 9, 1987, full stop. The said Shri Upender Singh gave illegal and improper directions to the assessing officer to complete the assessments in the cases of Messrs. Raghuvanshi Builders under Section 143 1 even though at the relevant time proceedings under Section 144A of IT Act 1961 were pending before him and these cases did not come within the purview of the summary assessment scheme of the amnesty scheme of the CBDT full stop. Shri Upender Singh has therefore violated rules 3 1 small I, 3 1 2 small I and 3 1 3 small I of the CCS conduct rules 1964 full stop. For the purposes of this case, it is not necessary to set out the statement of imputations, which is very lengthy, one referring elaborately to the material and evidenced which was sought to be relied upon against the respondent at the proposed inquiry, full stop. So ये फ्लक्चुएशन के साथ हमारी स्पीड 80 WPM की है। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।